Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's kitchen remodel, we removed everything down to the studs for a fresh slate. We changed the layout just a little bit to increase functionality, and we were also able to add an island for more storage and counter space. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. This is our first day before we really started ripping and tearing things out of the kitchen. It is the next day and all of the cabinetry has been removed. Everything has been removed down to the studs in this kitchen. The drywall has been patched and painted. The LVT floor has been installed. It is Mannington Adora Acacia Natural Plains 6x48 planks. The cabinets we installed were Waypoint 650F maple linen. We installed Richelieu 79032-143 knobs for the doors and 790128-143 pulls for the doors. We installed Fantasy Brown polished marble countertops in this kitchen. We installed 3x6 Dow tile Rittenhouse square matte biscuit beveled tile on the backsplash. Here is a finished kitchen. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.